Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gmail for faster inbox triage, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type gmail.com in the address bar and press enter. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to sign out of any others. Click on the sign in button in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your email address in the text box provided. Click next. Type your password in the corresponding field. Click Next again. If prompted, complete any additional security verifications, such as two-factor authentication. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Gmail inbox. Familiarize yourself with the inbox layout. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific emails. To triage your inbox faster, utilize the star feature for important emails. You can also apply labels to organize emails by category. Consider using filters to automatically sort incoming messages. For even quicker triage, use keyboard shortcuts for common actions. Press Shift and U to mark an email as unread. Use E to archive selected emails swiftly. Regularly review your inbox to keep it streamlined. Adjust your settings to customize notification preferences for better management. Remember to keep your browser updated for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.